I'm Dana Davis, and I'll be your instructor, your professor, perhaps your friend, and I look forward to making this work online, at home, in your pajamas, my pajamas, in whatever state we can bring ourselves to the computer. I love photography. I have since before I can remember. I've written, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a video and then also um, basically repeat myself in text. I think maybe having both is a good thing. Um, I look forward to sharing this brand new experience, perhaps newer for me than for many of you, with you. And while we make pictures, that's the key to this class. That's what we're going to do. We're going to make pictures. Yes, there's going to be some technical stuff about aperture and shutter speed, and there's going to be a quiz and stuff like that. And there'll be a little bit of writing because while we will be making pictures, we will also be thinking about it differently than perhaps we have. You have. We all take pictures with these gizmos. And quite honestly, I think it's different. Hold on. From making pictures with something that looks more like this. Now, granted, this is from the 1950s. My dad's camera. You will read about it if you read the text. Fantastic piece of machinery. Oh, they don't make them like this anymore. Anyway, we're going to be looking at pictures differently than perhaps you have. And I look forward to being part of that. We are also here to take chances, to experiment, to find new ways of doing things, to express our individual visions, discoveries. Accidents are often the key, a channel through which new ideas can be seen, worlds we have not visualized come through the camera in ways we didn't really intend, and yet often reveal a new view of the world. We hope, if you're lucky. So I am still learning to do this, so please bear with me. This is a big challenge for me. I find that practice is the key to my abilities to learn new things. When someone just tells me how to do it, it's like, toot, 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 see? No. Toot, 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 see? I'm like, no. Can I try? Can I hold the mouse? Nah, no, you're too slow. I've had teachers like that. So let's work together to make pictures happen. Did I say I'm Dana Davis? Did I say that already? I can't remember. You can call me Dana. You can call me Mr. Davis. You can call me Professor. Just cool. And again, I'm looking forward to sharing this great adventure with you. Thanks. Bye. Let's see if we can turn